Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn all about weather. First, let's listen to some conversations.
妈妈，今天天气怎么样？
今天是晴天。
那我可以穿裙子。
今天比昨天冷，你不能穿裙子。
那我不穿裙子，我穿裤子。明天我想和朋友去动物园，明天天气怎么样？
明天有雨。
那我们不去动物园了，我们去看电影。
你可以下个星期去动物园，下个星期不会下雨。
好。
刚才姑姑给我打电话，她现在在美国东部旅游，那里已经下雪了。
真的？
真的。
妈妈，今天天气怎么样？
今天是晴天。
那我可以穿裙子。
今天比昨天冷，你不能穿裙子。
那我不穿裙子，我穿裤子。明天我想和朋友去动物园，明天天气怎么样？
明天有雨。
那我们不去动物园了，我们去看电影。
你可以下个星期去动物园，下个星期不会下雨。
好。
刚才姑姑给我打电话，她现在在美国东部旅游，那里已经下雪了。
真的？
真的。Vocabulary 天气 weather. For example, 今天天气怎么样？ What is the weather like today? 天气这么好，不要待在家里，我们出去玩。The weather is so nice. Don't stay at home. Let's go out and play. 晴天 sunny days. Note here that 晴天 is a noun, but is often used as an adjective, sunny. Examples. 今天是晴天 Today is a sunny day. 我喜欢住在北京，因为那里常常是晴天。Literally, I like living in Beijing because over there often is sunny day. I like living in Beijing because it's often sunny there. This word 晴 when it's used on its own, is an adjective. It means sunny. For example, 今天天气怎么样？ What is the weather like today? 晴 sunny. Using be to compare two things. Be is similar to the English expression then. The sentence structure is like this. Noun 1 plus be plus noun 2 plus adjective. For example, 今天比昨天冷。Today is colder than yesterday. 这条裙子比那条裙子好看。This dress is prettier than that one. More examples. 姐姐比我聪明。Older sister is smarter than me. 爸爸做的菜比妈妈做的菜好吃。The dishes that Dad made are better than those made by Mom. 裤子 pants. For example, 今天很冷，你穿裤子吧。It's very cold today. You wear pants, okay? 我要买一条新裤子。I want to buy a pair of new pants. 雨 rain, it's a noun. For example, 明天有雨。Literally, tomorrow has rain. It will rain tomorrow. 今天的雨比昨天的大。Today's rain is heavier than yesterday's. 下雨 to rain, it's a verb phrase. For example, 今天要下雨。It's going to rain today. 下个星期不会下雨。It won't rain next week. Using 会 to express the idea of will. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus 会 plus verb plus object. For example, 今天会下雨吗？ Will it rain today? 不会 No, it won't. More examples. 今天下午我会去超市买东西。I will go shopping in the supermarket this afternoon. 我会给你打电话。I will call you. Now, let's have a summary of this word 会。The first usage is a can. It's a learned skill. For example, 你会打乒乓球吗？ Do you know how to play ping pong? The second one is meeting. It's a noun. For example, 今天下午我要开会。I have a meeting this afternoon. The third one is will. It's a possibility that something will happen. For example, 今天会下雨。It will rain today. 刚才 just now. For example, 刚才你去了哪里 Where did you go just now? Note here that 刚才 can be put in front of the subject and after the subject. So this sentence, 刚才你去了哪里 is equivalent to 你刚才去了哪里 More examples. 刚才谁来了 Who just came? 下雪 To snow is a verb phrase. For example, 今天下雪了 It snowed today. 美国的东部常常下雪 It often snows in the eastern part of the United States. 雪 snow, it's a noun. For example, 外面有很多雪 There is a lot of snow outside. 今天的雪很厚 The snow is very thick today. Now it's time for a language tip. Do you know that in the Chinese language, we use words or phrases that describe the weather to describe a person's mood, just like we do in English? Do you recognize the words or phrases that we learned today? 今天外面下了很大的雨，中午的时候，她和男朋友分手了。现在她的心情就像外面的天气一样。Today it rained heavily outside, and at noon she broke up with her boyfriend.Now her mood is just like the weather outside. 昨天晚上她睡得很好，早上起床的时候，她的心情就像外面的晴天一样。Last night he slept very well, and when he woke up in the morning, his mood was as sunny as the weather outside. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.